Okay, loves, welcome back to Homebody. I am Lisa, your host for today's video. In this video, I am giving you a brief tour of my home office. What you're looking at right now is my home office, nice and tidy. This is not how my home office look on a day-to-day basis. To go ahead and tell you what I have going on here in the office. And at the end of the video, I'm going to go ahead and set it up as if I was working in my office for today. Starting with the wall over on this side of the room, the wall art is from Home Goods, or it may have came from Ross. I think I actually got this wall art from Ross. The wall sconces are from Z Gallery. The black candles are from Home Goods. The vases on this buffet is also from Home Goods. The buffet is actually from Wayfair. The wall art that you see in the back is from Macy's. However, you can get your hands on this wall art from Amazon, and I will be placing a link to the wall art from Amazon. It's the exact wall art, and it's like, I think maybe $100 cheaper on Amazon. This lamp is from Home Goods. The bar cart is from Home Goods, and pretty much the accessories are from Home Goods that's on the bar cart, except for these candle holders here. These are from CB2. All my drapes are from Amazon. Okay, love, so moving to this side of the room, same wall art over there. I have over here. The wall art here, the actual mirror plaques is from Burlington. These super cute pics here are from Z Gallery. Let me see if I can lighten this. There we go. These are from Z Gallery, the gold and the black ones. These black pics here are from Hobby Lobby. The vase, at one point, it was a teal vase. I spray painted it black, and I added these adorable black studded beads to the vase. And just moving on back here, desk is also from Wayfair. It's one of those TOV furniture desks. It's an old Hollywood desk. Now, when I purchased this desk, I had no idea it wasn't like a standard desk that you will work on, because it actually sits up too high. So I really don't work on this desk. I have a rollaway desk that I use to work on, but it's very, very glamorous. I'm loving the desk. I'm kind of not wanting to part with it, but I think I'm going to part with this desk. The actual rug is from Well Woven. You also can get your hands on this rug from Amazon. I love Amazon. You can get your hands on pretty much everything from Amazon. The actual ottomans are from House. You can also get these from Amazon. However, the ones on Amazon are not storage benches. These are actual storage benches. Brace yourself. I'm not sure what you're going to see in here. So I have extra decor in here. Like, what are those? These are books and curtain tiebacks and things like that. And some extra plugs and stuff like that in here. And I also have pretty much the same thing in that other one. So the wall art, this wall art is from Burlington. I love it because it has the black, gold, silver, and white. And this my base color in this room. I can throw any color that I want in with those three, and it will work out fine. The vase, the bigger vase here is from Home Goods. The other two are from Z Gallery, as well as the beautiful pics, the gray and the gold pics are from Z Gallery. My candle, my elephant candle is from Thompson Ferrier. It's a luxury candle company. These candles are pretty expensive, and I'm going to be honest with you, most of them were gifted to me. I think I purchased one, and when I purchased that one, I think I got it like for 50% off or something like that. But for the most part, all my Thompson Ferrier candles were gifted to me. I will place a link to those below just in case you're interested. I have a little candle setup here that I think is really nice to have. The lighter and the wick trimmer and things like that. The match set, that candle got hot. What was I thinking? The mat set is actually from, I think it came from Ballard Design, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so moving on over to my favorite bookshelf. Oh, I love this bookshelf just because it's unique. It has that geometric design where it goes here, 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 here. Well, the bookshelf is from Wayfair, and you can still get your hands on this bookshelf. I will place the link just in case someone's interested in getting their hands on the bookshelf. I'm trying to adjust the lighting here. So the vases on top of the bookshelf are from Home Goods, and I've had them for a few years. The picks are from the foam ones are from Home Goods, but the other ones are from Z Gallery. The ceramic books are from Z Gallery. Book ends are from Z Gallery. These vases here is from Burlington. The other items that you see are from Home Goods. The Ming boxes at the bottom are from Z Gallery. So that pretty much sums up this room, except for the chandelier. The lighting is from Wayfair, and I'm ready to change that out as well. Now these look glass, but they're really not glass, they're plastic. But I love it, love it, love it. But I want something more elaborate in here. I want something actually gold and black. I want one of those beautiful gold and black chandeliers in here. So I think I've talked about everything. Now on the opposite side of this room is my laundry area. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this room set back up as if I was going to be working today. Okay, love, so now I have my rollaway desk, my laptop, and all my paperwork that I use when I'm working in my chair. I actually always put like a pillow in the chair with a little pad on top, and then I have the pillow at the back. I need to invest in myself a proper working chair, which I'm looking into right now because that's not a good chair to work in. I have more work folders on the side over there, but that is the rollaway desk that I use when I'm working. I have my monitor here plugged up because I use the dual monitors, and I have cards going everywhere as well. So this is real life here. It's nothing all neat and tidy all the time. Then I also keep my ring light over here in the corner. So I put that back over there. So I'm loving this room, and this room is flowing together with my living room.